Welcome back. Joining us now, financial analyst Steve Budin. Thanks for joining us this morning, Steve. We're talking tax deadlines. Typically, we'd need less than a week now to file our taxes, but that deadline has been extended now, right?
Nice to bring some good news when it comes to taxes. They did extend the filing deadline to May 17th for this year. So that's a pretty significant amount of time it gives our viewers to collect everything and get everything going, because last year was complicated at best.
What about this year? What are some new things that you think people should know as they are working on filing in the next month or 2 months?
I know I've said this on prior segments, but certainly seek out some professional assistance on this, because there's a litany of all kinds of tax credits that are unique to this tax filing season. They, as of now, expire at the end of 2021, but there's a list here, whether it's a child tax credit, earned income tax credit, child independent care credit, recovery rebate credit. And I don't have enough time to go into the details of each and every one of these, but it can provide our viewers with some real nice benefits. But for most of these, you do have to file a return for the calendar year 2020. So if you haven't filed a return in the past, 2020 is a time that you'd want to get started.
And we've been chatting about credits, but if you could explain the difference between a credit and a deduction.
The credits are a lot more powerful. So just using some basic math, let's say you owe $100 in taxes and you get a tax deduction on $300 of expense. You would only pay taxes on $700. So the deduction just reduces the overall percentage on which you pay. Whereas if you got a $300 tax credit, that's actually a dollar for dollar in reduction of your taxes. So instead of owing $300 in taxes, you'd owe zero, because the credit wipes out that whole responsibility. So credits are a lot more powerful than deductions.
Anything else that our viewers should know about that May 17th deadline?
One thing that comes to mind is the IRA contribution limit has been pushed to May 17th. So one of the few things that you can still do for 2020 in 2021 is fund an IRA, which may or may not give you a tax deduction on your income taxes, but that's something I would look into taking advantage of too.
Okay, that's all the time that we have for today. We'll be posting more on our website, ktnv.com, and we'll be right back.